Just concede and give in to your inner demons again.
Global alert, global alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the North American Aerospace Defense Command. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert, as this alert pertains to information that will be very hard to comprehend. A global level emergency now exists for the entirety of planet Earth. The situation concerning the highly dangerous individual, Alistair, has been confirmed to be out of humanity's control. Reports of very loud blood-curdling screams were heard throughout most of Minnesota, and it is believed that the big guns have failed to neutralize Alistair, as Alistair decapitated all the members of the big guns, showing no mercy whatsoever. In addition, NORAD military radar has detected the launch of 10,000 intercontinental ballistic nuclear missiles and are predicted to make impact in about a half hour. It has also been confirmed that nothing on the planet will survive the nuclear impacts, as well as drastic consequences on the planet, such as the orbit of the Earth being drastically altered, and tons of radiation in the air, and extinction of the human race is confirmed. All residents of the United States and perhaps the rest of the world should follow this set of instructions before doomsday arrives. You should now gather with your loved ones, such as family, friends, spouses, children and pets, and cherish your final moments together. Do anything that makes you feel comfortable and await death. If you wish to walk out painlessly, you may now do so at this time. If you are part of any religious denominations, pray to your higher being or beings in repentant wants. After this broadcast, all normal programming, radio stations and all social media will sign off for the final time. We will conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with a verse from the Holy Bible, which is John 4:11-12. Dear friends, since God so loved us, we also want to love one another. No one has ever seen God, but if we love one another, God lives in us and His love is made complete in us. May God save us all. We will conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with the national anthem. This concludes our broadcast.